How close you were?
Yeah, I will.
Go back out and come back in.
Yeah.
Just make sure you don't turn so quick.
Thank you.
Go, hurry up. Is a much gooder park.
Yeah, I can see the line.
Take care, both inside.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Very good. You're gonna turn your front wheels.
Oh, okay.
Entering time-lapse mode.
He assisted me to park. Okay, so yeah, we're going to just walk around here in the town center of Kurri, Kurri, and repeat, that's the name of this place, Kurri. They have these new islands in here. It looks new. I don't know if I'm going to eat, but I am open for that possibility. Yeah, I'm tempted to get banana breads. Yeah, but no. Even this sidewalk, this is actually new also. Yeah, so they are making this Kurri, beautiful. Yeah, and it's a wide, very nice. And look at that, there's that building, looks classic. And this residential area, it's a lower part residential area. And you know, when I was actually driving coming from Sisnok, I can see the, you know, the Stockton beach, you know, the sand dunes. Yeah, I can see it along the way. They are doing some renovation here in this kind of plaza. Yeah, and there is a big horse. I think it represents the farming or mining. Yeah, big horse. Oh, nice. In the Philippines, when I was a kid, yeah, because you know my parents, they are farmer, but we don't have a horse, but we have a carabao instead, a bopalo. Yeah, and that bopalo is the one that is working in the rice field. Yeah, with some kind of machinery, not, yeah, a manual machine that is being carried by the bopalo and then pushed by human, by my parents, by my father especially. Not horse. Horse is expensive during the time. Yeah, so I can see in here that it says, yeah, Coal Mines Memorial, a tribute to the people and industry that founded Kurri and surrounding district. Yeah, so this one. And there is a big kookaburra in here. You see that? Big kookaburra. Nice. And it really looks like the actual kookaburra. I will get closer. Look at that. So basically this Kurri, based on what I am reading about there, is a part of Sisnok, city of Sisnok. They have a nice sitting area here, also here, but like what I've said, they are doing some improvements. Actually, the whole town center of Kurri, they are doing a lot of improvements. The road, the sidewalks, and then this park. Oh, the name of this building is Kurri Hotel. Usually a small hotel like this is a pub and restaurant in the ground floor. Yeah, it is. I can see some people inside drinking, playing a pool or billiards, and some are watching games. One thing I noticed, they have a lot of bakery. Yeah, there was a bakery here on that side, and there is another one here, and actually there are more on that side. The time now is 2:23, and the sun is actually on the zenith. Yeah, that's why very less shadowed area on the sidewalk, even on the other side. Oh nice, they have a live music every Friday. I like watching live music, live band in yeah, anywhere. When I was in Dubai, we go to the pub, we go to a pub and we watch live music. And usually Filipino pub, Filipino restaurant, or Filipino nightclub in Dubai usually have yeah, live music, singer. So the road here in Kurri, also in Sisnok, they are wide. Another thing I noticed is that yeah, there are a lot of modern or new houses in the area, but the proper town center, yeah, usual the classic buildings. So there is an Anglican church here. Yeah, St. Paul the Apostle Anglican Church, this one. And that side, that is the fire station, this is the courthouse, and this is actually a police station. So there is KFC here, there is Aldi, and there are other groceries around. Yeah, if you are planning to move in any of the places that I visited, yeah, you will like it. I mean, most of the places has everything, grocery, but not all places has shopping mall. Another thing is most of the places has a recreational area, like a swimming pool, a rugby court, playing court, playground. Yeah, they have facilities in most of the town here in Australia. Okay, that's it. And we reached this place. The name of the place is Mount Sugarloaf. Yeah, sounds like a bread. Sugarloaf. Yeah, that's the name of the place. And there is a lookout here where you can see the water of the Newcastle. Instead of bringing water, I have my coffee with me. It says that the lookout is 1.3 kilometers. Yeah, we can do that. There are some people actually here. Sometimes there is a just sudden sound. Yeah, it feels like a snake is scary. Anyway, I've never seen a snake actually. If the lizard is a snake, that will be very, very scary. Oh. Cannot really see by the camera, but yeah, we are in the higher part of the mountain and we can see the down there. We can even see the water from the Newcastle water, the sea of Newcastle. The trees in here are noticeably the same. Yeah, the long trees, they are still small, but they are long. Yeah, this maybe are those they use to make electrical posts. This probably a poles, just no water. One thing I noticed, there are many butterflies along the way. Yeah, I'm actually very cautious. I keep on looking on my way. I don't want to see a snake. Also, I walk noisy so that if there is a snake along the way, they will move out of my way. I don't see any people now. Yeah, along the way there are four people, but no more here. So yeah, from here there is this northern lookout, 50 meters more. Yeah, we keep on walking 50 meters more. Yeah, but here actually is already, yeah, it's covered with trees, but we are in the very high part of this Mount Sugarloaf. This is designed to be a tourist area. Yeah, you see this walkway, and this is how it is. Big forest, residential area on that side, all the way to that side, flat land. I don't see any movements. More mountain on that far side, and the water area, the Newcastle Ocean Sea is on that side. We can't really see it. And one thing I noticed is that Australia doesn't really have a big mountain. I mean, they don't have much. And if I'm not mistaken, the highest mountain is Mount Kosciuszko. Yeah, I've been there. It is snowing in Mount Kosciuszko. And in here there is kind of yeah, you can actually go down there, but I don't think there is something to see. Yeah, of course, kind of adventure, but I'm not going to do that. Not today, because I have work tomorrow. Back to work tomorrow actually. Don't forget my coffee. Okay, that's it. We maybe are going home now. This is where I came from, and this one is going to the summit picnic area, 600 meters. Yeah, I don't want to go that way in the same way. I go this way. I think this is also heading to the road, but not where I parked the car. It's okay, I will figure out. There is another lookout here. Oh, look at that. I can see an animal. I just forgot the name. What is that? Yeah, I forgot the name of that animal. Very nice. I've seen many times of that kind of animals. I forgot the name. We reached this picnic area. There is toilet on that side, and there is this that tower. And I am happy that I did not go in the same way. Yeah, because it is going to be boring if it is in the same way. And now I am going through this road, going back to the car. Mount Sugarloaf lookout, top of Lake Macquarie, elevation 412 meter ASL. I just read on that side that dog, cats, camping is not allowed in this area, in this Mount Sugarloaf. Yeah, riding the bicycle is okay. And these are some of the birds that you're going to see. This is not bird. There is two bike rider. There was a Volkswagen transporter carrying bikes inside. So that is going to join to the other two over there. Yeah, from here I can already see the van. And yeah, no other cars anymore. They left already. But let's have a look on that side first. Yeah, from here we can see the ocean, the Newcastle ocean. And we are now here in Roywood Reserve. Yeah, I actually been here maybe 1 hour already, and the sun is going to sit down there. Yeah, very beautiful here in Nelson Bay. High tide at the moment.